Hello English 106 students, this is your instructor Taya Mills and I'm going to show you how to complete the first part of our culture exploration project for this semester. This first assignment is a scavenger hunt which you will complete in Second Life, and there's in this Google Doc you can see the first 4 steps of instruction which will help you get to those 4 different locations which we will explore in Second Life. And then once you've completed the scavenger hunt, you will actually answer some questions and prompts, which are in part 2 of the assignment. And the last question that you'll answer is actually what location in the real world do you want to study this semester? So I hope that as we're going through this that you can discover new places and decide which location and which type of culture and people you'd like to study this semester. Now, here are the instructions and the locations which we will be going to. The first part says log into Second Life and teleport to National University Sky Platform and go to the Culture Exploration Scavenger Hunt House. There's actually the URL where you can use that URL in Second Life and it should take you directly to that location. You can see that there. And then once you get there, you can say enter the house and watch the video on the left, which is this video you're watching now. Follow the instructions in the video by teleporting to each location by touching the image on the porches attached to the left and right of the house by selecting teleport in the pop-up destination window. As you visit each location, hunt for answers for these questions and write your answers on this document. So you can see there's some questions for you to answer and prompts for you to answer based on the locations that you will visit in Second Life. And then you will complete part 2 of the assignment, which is other questions and prompts, which I'd like you to consider as you are visiting these locations and as you decide what you'd like to study this semester. So we have, this is me in Second Life. Here's our house, which is our cultural exploration house. If you walk in, you can see that the video on the left is actually where you will begin, and that's the video you're watching now. Out on either side of the porch, there's 2 destinations, and in order to access those destinations, you just left click, and instead of clicking go to page, you'll click on this attachment or link right here, and it'll give you information about the location and even what real life city or country is represented in this location. And then you'll click teleport and your avatar will actually go to that location, and you can go ahead and complete the answer the questions that are in the Google document, which you have access to as well. So you will go ahead and answer those questions as you teleport around in Second Life, as you visit these locations that represent real life locations. Now, if you have any questions as you proceed in this activity, go ahead and let me know.